Hi, it's Bill at the ATIA Maker Day. I'm going to do a walkthrough, but I haven't told anybody. So welcome. This is one of our biggest events of the year. And we are at the ATIA conference in Kissimmee, Florida.
Because I went to school to be a
Well, you got it now. You're going to score every time. We got to get you in a game. We got to get people fighting you. Okay. So, all right. So this is Gravy. They are showing the ridiculously popular controller that lets you control an Xbox with your joystick from your power chair. There's a phone device over here. It's Allison. All right. Towards you. The brake. Now when you go forward, turn. All right.
So you're using the drive control on the Xbox?
Yes.
Talk about a telekey and the fact that with this, you can now use it on a Mac, on a PC, on a Chromebook, or with a camera adapter on an iPad. No drivers, nothing. You just plug it in and type it.
It just works.
Just works.
You're making capacitive touch, inexpensive switches for the Accent 1400. And so this is going to be my next switch, and that's going to be my select switch. She's making art kits out of PVC and other wonderful things like this. She's awesome. If you guys don't know Therese Wilkham, she's like the MacGyver of OT and AT. She will teach you how to make anything. But all of it's Instamorph and Coroplast and cheap stuff and things you need to make in less than 5 minutes. This is Dr. Kathy Stern, behavioral optometrist. They're making light up eyeballs to draw attention to CVI, I think. But she's teaching people how to use conductive tape and LEDs and fun stuff like that. And we love Kathy. She's wonderful. This is Jake. Jake, say hi. This is Jake from Makers Making Change. He is teaching people how to solder for the first time. They are making AT switches. Also, we've got some kids from Roaring Riptide. And that's Z way over there. She's also from Makers Making Change.